Hey everybody, Steve Sheets here with Ghost Ranch Communications doing a quick tutorial today about how to pin a template so that you can get really quick access to it when you're starting a new document. What I mean is if you go here to File, New, you can see there's a number of templates that can be used as starting points here. I'm going to show you how to add a custom one real quick and easy here today. One thing to note is that any slides that you have here on the left hand side are going to become part of this template that's going to be used as a starting point. So if there's anything that you don't want over here, go ahead and get rid of it. Make sure that the file is exactly what you want to be starting from every time. And then with that done, you're going to go to File, Save As, More Options. And what you're going to want to do is choose a POTX template file. And as I choose this, you will notice that the folder that this file is going to get saved into is going to change. You can see, it's changed here to my custom office templates. You can find this folder and always drag a POTX file into it, but I think it's just a lot easier to go ahead and save one. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. That has that taken care of, so I have a POTX file in the folder where I need it, and then the next step is to pin it. So I'm going to go to New, select Custom here, I'm going to choose Custom Office Templates, and you can see my file has been saved as one of those available themes. I'm going to pin it to the list, and now if I go back, File, New, you can see it's right here for easy access. Go ahead and click that, create, and there it is. Brand new, nice, clean file for me to start from every time in a place where it's really easy to get to. Thanks, hope this was helpful for you. If you guys have any questions about PowerPoint or need help with your presentation needs or any sort of business collateral, please feel free to reach out to us at ghostranch.com. I'm Steve Sheets. Thanks so much for your time.